So step 1, create an account with ClickBank and generate your affiliate link. Step 2, set up your landing page. Step 3, drive traffic to your landing page. Hey guys, do you want the system that make you most money on ClickBank? If your answer is yes, then keep watching this video, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money by using this simple system and method. But before we start this video, if you haven't already, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates or any my new upcoming videos. So first thing first, step number 1, create an account with ClickBank. Those who don't know what is ClickBank, so ClickBank is a marketplace where you can find the affiliate product to promote online. And if you haven't created an account with a ClickBank, then you want to click on the sign up button to create an account. I already created an account, so I'm going to log in into my account straight away. So once you create or log in into your account, what you want to do is you want to click on the marketplace here, and you want to find your category or your product here. As you can see, there is lots of product to select. If you click on this icon, you're able to see more products here. As you can see, there is educations, games, green products, and etc. What I recommended is you choose product based on your interest. If you have interest in any product or any services, select that, because if you have interest, you understand more about the product and you can give more information to your audience. Now if you don't have any interest on any of the product, or you don't know how to select product, then what you want to do is you want to click on this magnifying glass. And if you want to learn more about how you can find your right product for you, then I will create a video for you so you can watch it and you can select your niche by watching that video. So let's say you don't have any interest in, just you want to click on the search icon to search every product. As you can see, there is a bunch of product to select from here. So once you click on the icon, it's showed me more than 3,000 products which I can promote to the online world. But you have to see the points, some really important points when you select your first product or second product, whatever product you select. Just scroll down and you see what product would you like to promote in here, and you can see in the second page, third page, fourth page, there is a 315 page available to find your product. So I'm going to find my product. You already familiar with the product I'm going to promote in this video is custom carotid. So if you pay attention here, there is custom carotid. If you click on this link here, it will take you to the sales page, VSL. Basically, just what you want to do is you want to send your traffic to this page, and then people behind this product would take care of all of it. You don't have to do anything to sell your product. There is a professional to promote this type of product, this sales page, and let me show you how playing this video so you can understand how everything works.
Would you like to know exactly what to eat to lose fat and get healthy without giving up your favorite foods or starving yourself? If you're serious about achieving permanent...
So as you saw, the video is professionally designed to sell the product. Now let's go back to our ClickBank account. Pay attention to the gravity. As you can see, this is insanely high gravity. So you wanted to select that a gravity score between 50 to 100 or 50 to 150. You want to select that gravity score. So you have to make sure you select right product with right gravity score. You can search the product with gravity score as well from here. As you can see, you just want to select the gravity score to select your product. A second thing you have to pay attention is the commission. When you promote the product, and if someone purchases the product, then you're gonna get $54 as your commission. And third thing you have to pay attention to is these blue arrows. If I hover over the blue arrows and stay there, it's a recurring billing. That means this product is a monthly payment. If someone buys and tastes with this product, then you're gonna get $21 per month, and that's completely passive. You don't have to do anything to earn that $21 as a commission. So now once you're happy with your product, once you satisfied with your product, what you want to do is you want to click on the promo button to generate your hop link. As you can see, then you want to click on generate hop links. It will give you a hop links. Copy the hop links, and we're not going to spam these hop links into all over the internet. We have system to do the affiliate marketing, which is I'm going to show you in this video. So stay tuned and keep taking notes. So you want to click on this icon to copy this link, and you want to go to your Google Doc and you want to paste this link here, because we're going to use this link later on this video. We have copied our link and we are satisfied with our product. Step 2, set up your landing page. So as you can guys see, this is my landing page, and as you can see, I've set all the videos here, and under the video I've put some free text and free recipes for the audience. And after text, I put banner here. So when someone click this banner, it would take you to the sales page, which is I showed you before. Okay. So as you can see, I provided videos, which is I'm going to show you in a moment where you can get these videos for free, and where you can get these articles for free. So now let's do it. So, but first, let me tell you how I create my landing page. So what tool I use to create a landing page? So tool I use is called Aweber. So let me show you how it's look like. So guys, Aweber is the tool that allows us to create email marketing and landing page for free. You don't have to pay anything. If you want to create account with Aweber, then click the link description below. That's my affiliate link, and if you click on this link and create an account, then you're gonna get Aweber for free forever. You don't have to pay anything to create account and to start email marketing and landing pages. Now let me show you how you can create landing page for free. So once you create account with Aweber, then you want to click on landing page, and then you want to click on create a landing page. And I already create landing pages, so I'm going to go edit straight away. So just let me click on it to edit. So as you can see guys, I created landing page like this, and once you want to drag and drop like that every element into here or here. Okay, and you want to set video here. So if you want to set video, you can drag and drop element here, and you can paste video link here. So I upload video on YouTube, then I copy the link and I drag that element here, and I paste link in this box, and I paste text here and this banner here. Now let me show you where you can get the marketing materials. To get your marketing materials, you want to go to the ClickBank account here. You want to find your product again to find your affiliate page. Every product, they have affiliate page like this. This product don't have affiliate page, but this product has affiliate page. As you can see, this affiliate page. And what you want to do is you want to click on the affiliate page. It would take you to the affiliate page where they provide marketing materials like this. As you can see, this is a custom categorized affiliate resources, and you can create your affiliate link, product information, banners, social media, leads, magnets, landing pages, videos, media buyers, and stuff like that. And we're going to use this banner videos. So you want to click on banner, save your banner into your computer. So you can select any banner that you want. So what you want to do is you want to right click on it and save your image into your computer. So once you save your image into computer, then you want to come to the landing page and you want to drag and drop the image, and then you want to select your image from your computer, and your hop link is going to go in the link to URL in the image section. All right, so you want to paste your hop link here, and you can paste your hop link in this article as well if you want. So now let me show you where you can get other articles. So what you want to do is you want to click on the videos, and you want to download any video from here. As you can see, there is a recipe video set 1, recipe video set 2, recipe video set 3, and I already downloaded, so I'm going to open the file directly. So let me do it. So once you download your file, your videos, they gonna give you 10 videos as a marketing material. You can use this as a promote the keto program. And if you want text, which is I have uploaded in here, you can see this text is you're going to get that in this file. If you open this file, you're gonna get all the text here. As you can see, first recipe, second recipe, and you can create nice landing page from that, guys. So that's how you create your own landing page. If I haven't play this video, let me just play it for it's just 30 seconds, and just click on it to play.
Curry spiked tuna and avocado salad.
And guys, one more thing I want to mention here is I've used text-to-speech software at top of the voiceover. I added voiceover on the video. You can, if you want to use text-to-speech software, just click the link description below, and you can create stunning voiceover for your video. Now let me play this again.
Curry spiked tuna and avocado salad. Add mayonnaise into bowl. Add curry powder. Add salt and pepper. And mix very well. Now add tuna, celery, and avocado and mix very well. Serve with fresh greens or over keto toast.
So as you saw, guys, the video, that's how video looks like. And every video, if you click on it, this is my video. I'm not going to play every single video, otherwise video going to take longer than I expected. Okay, so that's how you create your landing page. Now, so what you want to do is you want to copy this like that, and so we're going to drive traffic to our landing page, and when someone comes to a landing page, they're going to see the video, and probably they're going to read the articles, and they're going to click on the banner, because we provide them really nice recipes and information about recipes. So they're gonna think like, I got everything free, like this stuff. What if I buy this product? What I'm gonna get? That's how they think. Okay, so step number 3 is driving traffic to your landing page. In order to driving traffic on our landing page, we're going to use Pinterest. So guys, you want to create an account with Pinterest, and you want to create pin for every day, because if you use any free traffic source, then it's going to take time to build your audience, to build your affiliate marketing. All right, so let me just type diet here. There is a bunch of diet plans, and just let me click diet to see what comes up. So just like this, you want to create a post every single day, or you can be consistent, like you can create a post in 1 per 2 days, 1 post per 2 days, or 3 posts, 1 post per 3 days, and just like that. Just be consistent what you're doing here. And second method is Facebook ad. If you if you want to make money fast and you can't wait to make money on affiliate marketing, you can use Facebook ad to make money online fast. This is the only way you can make. If you want to make money fast, just use Facebook, and if you want to make money slow and long-term income, then use Pinterest, perform like that. Now let's recap what we learned. So we learned create account with ClickBank, and how you can choose product from ClickBank. And second thing we learned is how you can create landing page for free, and how you can add the videos and top of a voiceover, text, and banner here. And third thing we learned is how you can get your traffic to your landing page. Okay guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching this video, And make sure if you haven't already, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates or any upcoming new videos. And one more time, make sure you subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching.